I'm afraid. So Kaiser Chiefs have won 5 consecutive league games for the first time since December 2019. The last coach Bafethu to win a game I5 at Kaiser Chiefs was Ernest Middendorp. He even stretched that winning streak to 8 games Bafethu for Kaiser Chiefs. That is according to Opta Jabu Bafethu, right? Shout out to Opta Jabu for the stats. Bafethu, Kaiser Chiefs have collected 15 points in their last 5 games. That is a lot of points Bafethu, especially thinking of where Kaiser Chiefs were last season bafethu. There is a huge improvement. Yabona ukukhuluma ngegame namhlanje, I think the first half bafethu both teams weren't playing beautiful football. Like nami bengimangela ukuthi kwenzakalani, dukuduku sengibona uSilva Akor, sengibona uWandile Akor. 2 goals for Kaiser Chiefs in the first half, but I think in the second half, Kaiser Chiefs were a little bit better. You look at the goals they scored, but I think they were well orchestrated. Uri Frosler came on in the second half and was Tolenama assist too. I'm happy for Umduduzi Shabalala no Khanyisa Mayo for them to get on the score sheet. I mean, Umduduzi Shabalala, I think the boy, the last 5 games, I think he has played some of his best football in that number 10 role in his last 5 games. Namhlanje uKhanyisa Mayo came on. He missed opportunities, but finally was taller little goal. The boy needed this goal because hey, his time at Kaiser Chiefs hasn't been easy. But salute to Kaiser Chiefs bafethu. Danko.
Abafana balokhu bayivulele njalo induku. Wohlo. Ayi. Alright, i-team enkulu yase-South Africa isivele yenza lokho edume ngakho yavulela induku ushawa imagesi. Magesi ibulewe kabuhlungu ngenduku 4-1. 5 games in a row manje i-Chiefs ilokhu iyawina. I won't talk about tactics kule game there because tactically i-setup was the same as the previous game. Back 4 in defense, back 3 offensively, but push Umonyani up high, Cross will play as a dead center back. But the only difference with the game is that Chiefs were not really utilizing their width because Imakesi saw with the Chiefs on the previous game, they were using a lot of their width, so Bazamu closer down on my flanks. In this game, they were killing them through the middle of the park. That's why Umduduzi Shabalala was instrumental with the game there. That's why a partnership Gama Boy Benonjovu on the first half was very instrumental. But what I want to talk about, what I want to bring attention to is Kaizer Chiefs in an attendance of Panama game very slowly. Very, very slowly. And against our teams are strong Bazobanenking if they start games like this. But the past couple of games, abadlali nama team amnandi kakhulu abo Orbit College, Magesi and the likes. You know, because if you check statistically, I want to use statistics to support my argument. If you check statistically, Kaizer Chiefs is very dangerous between the minutes 30 and 45. That's where they have scored their most of their goals. In fact, out of the 27 goals that they have scored, I think 8 or 9 of them have come between that time frame. 30 minutes and 45 minutes. That's where they are most lethal. And today we saw exactly that again because it came about but 32 minutes Flavio Silva washaya goal. Beautiful goal by Flavio Silva. And then 3 minutes later, around 35-36 minutes, Wandile Tuba scored the second goal. Testament to that, it Chiefs a game, but they are warming up to the game. 30 minutes I am really impressed by a lot of performances in the game. Great display by Frosler. He came in and changed the game. 2 assists, and also great performance by Umayo. Umayo deserved that goal. He needed that goal. He missed a couple of chances before, but eventually he was able to score the goal. We are coming for that number 2. We will be there.
Yes, I'm sorry. No, seriously, Magesi, I want to come here as a spokesperson of Kaizer Chiefs, Magesi, and say I'm sorry and I apologize. I'm doing this on a public platform because I did not know they were going to hit 4. I thought maybe 1 or 2, 2-0, 2-1, 4. Sure. Magesi, there was once a group, the Queen Twerkers. You know, they had a generational run. Little did I know, in the future, somewhere along the line, there was going to be a team called Magesi against Kaizer Chiefs, and they were going to twerk. You guys twerked to the highest level of twerking. I've never seen a twerking like that take place in the Betway Premiership this season. Threat. I would trap them. Magesi, open a case. Open a docket. Pillar that. You can't get a beating like that. That's abuse. What we did tonight, there needs to be a case that takes place. Pella, we feasted on crocodile. I've never tasted crocodile meat. But I'm sure it tastes nice. After seeing tonight, Tikwena Tsameti, how we ate them alive. Straight how we ate them. They should change the name Tikwena Tsatrout. And since when did we sign Flavio Lewandowski? I've never seen a person face the opposite direction and then the net shakes. My guy hit a swivel and scored from an acute angle. People are dangerous, straight. And then when Mayo, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Maramayo, I was upset. When Makesi scored that goal, Mayo, I was going to come for you because the passes were loose. Everything was a mess. Meanwhile, little did I know, you were saving up. You were saving up to score a header on the other end. Brilliant header, Mayo. Brilliant. And then Frosler. Frosler comes on the pitch 2 minutes. Hakimi is assisting everything. Frosler's not a right back. We must put Frosler as a right wing. Pella, he is our assist king. He was on the pitch for 10 minutes, 2 assists. People are dangerous. This is AI. But boys, well done. And football is funny because you look at that score and you think Kaizer Chiefs are dominant. No. Majority of the game it was a hard game to watch. Obviously the conditions played a role. Ball was slipping and sliding everywhere. No one could control, so no team gripped the game by its neck and controlled it. But anyways, when the moments came, the boys took them. And I told you guys, Magezi, there is nothing. Respectfully, Magezi is finished. I watch all the Magezi games. Lots of people doubted me earlier today. And I said, guys, don't worry, Magezi is finished. Respectfully, of course.
Hello sis, ngicela ubuza office eKaizer Chiefs azo. Okay, good. Uthatha no speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates ne president yabalandeli bePoli Africa yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Umthumela Trump. Andilili sis, andilili ngithatha kanti Moama undazi na awunkenanga. Into ehlekisayo apha. Esisi ndizobuza sisuba anithwalanga na. Usuhleka sisi ndi serious ndiyabuza uba anithwalanga na. Because ngoku kubonakala ngathi nithwele ngoku. Igame esihlanu le ngoku niwina nizilandelelana. Usuhleka sisi ndinexhala mna ngoku. Ndiskenda nombilini ngoku ingathi isondele nala 26 ka-April. Ndiskenda nombilini ngoku nindenzela ixhala mna xa ninje anithwalanga. Usuhleka sisi. Kaloku mamela nina beninengxaki ngoku nitrayikelwa nangabalandeli and anitshintshanga kwanto isengaba badlali nabakhowushi bebetrayikelwa basekhona kodwa ngoku kwenzeka ntoni kutheni nawina kangaka ngoku. Usuhleka sisi ndi-serious mna. Usuhleka utropile. Ndisikenda nexhala mna ndisikenda nombilini mna ngathi isondela nale 26 ka-April ngoku xa benje ii-games zilandelelana and bakora iigowuli ezininzi ezintle. Chiefs le ikhona into enzekileyo bathwela basoze.
Kunini swina sisahleli kunamba 3 ngeke isafa makube khona into eyenzayo ngeKaizer Chiefs. Asikwazi ukuthi kudala siwina kusukela last year sisahleli kunamba 3 bekufanele ngabe sikunamba 1 ngeke sihlaleleni kunamba 3 kutheni singa kunini swina sisahleli kunamba 3 number 3 kosawina thina sabetha kwaqela sidibana nalo sihlale number 3 anvumi siyarojwa iKaizer Chiefs iyarojwa.
Ngiyaqala ke into kanje Super Sports ngiyaqala into kanje madoda nidlala iadvert in the middle of the game. We nearly missed a substitution by Magesi because you guys were playing the adverts. In the adverts, one of the biggest teams in South Africa, and you guys decided to put a game here when the adverts. hayi ngiyayiqala into nje. Anyways, Kaizer Chiefs 4 while Imagesi could only manage to score 1 goal. Abuyile amakhosi guys. Abuyile amakhosi. I am still not convinced with the current crop of coach. We have 2 co-coaches that are coaching Kaizer Chiefs. I am still not convinced. I'm so sorry. I'm happy with goals from people like Omayo and people from Oshabalala, but I still need more as far as philosophy is concerned in the Kaizer Chiefs team. Right, I'm happy with the amount of goals that have been scored. Kaizer Chiefs managed to score goals out 4. We know them from 1-0 from last year, but this year they're coming out with a completely different formation. I've always maintained Kaizer Chiefs has the 3rd best squad as far as E-League is concerned, following teams like Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, and then it's them. Imagine the current crop of Kaizer Chiefs players with an actual coach with experience, not all coaches with experience, not all co-coaches. I'm still not convinced, unfortunately, with the current co-coaches, but congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, especially to players like Omayo. I've been asking Uzi, where is Kanyisa Mayo and players like Omdu Shabalala, who have been unfortunate when it comes to score sheet, right? I think game namhlanje was very convincing for players like that. I saw Isabi, Chislet, but I still think Lokhuza had a good game. Okay, considering a goal, Shabalal, considering a goal, I was so happy to see him in the score sheet. I think he still needs a lot of improvement when it comes to finishing. Oh my God. Shabalala needs a lot of improvement when it comes to finishing. But I'm happy, obviously, for players like Lokhuza or Mayo. Like I said, I was asking where he is. Yeah, it was a well-deserved win by Kaizer Chiefs. Hopefully they maintain this structure, and I hope the top 3 teams in Betway Premiership, they end in the top 3. That is my wish at the end of the season in May. Lama team out 3 amakhulu. I want to see them in position number 1, number 2, and number 3. Let me know what you thought about the game.
Isizini maye ngokuphela lezi Kaizer Chiefs ziperforma kamnandi. Lezi Kaizer Chiefs ziperforma kamnandi, and I love the way they play, I love the way they combine, I love the way they score goals, the confidence in their ball. Their boys are the glamour boys. They are showing glamorous football. They are playing very, very well. Badlala kamnandi. Amajida are improving very, very well. They are showing ukuthi lento yala season a season before that whereby baqeda the season bana 32 points, baqeda the season bana 36 points. Ayikho lento le. Right now bana 45 points. There are still a few games left ukuthi bawadlala. And that is a failing Kaizer Chiefs to many people. That is a failing Kaizer Chiefs to many people. That's a poor Kaizer Chiefs to many people. Especially my supporter of Kaizer Chiefs, la wafuna uqosha uRevry, la wafuna better players. Which better players do you want? Because I'm a player la wayenperformela. And they should be very grateful. They got 9 season, position 9. They got a position 10. Yet you want to win the league in the following season. Kanjani? It's a process. It's a process, especially when you play against a point machine just like Mamelodi Sundowns, a strong competitor such as the Orlando Pirates. It's going to be very, very difficult to take points from any of those. And okay, it's fine, you don't have to beat the Pirates or the Sundowns to win the league, but you have to beat everybody else. Still, angeke uzoqeda terrible season just like that and then win. It has to be luck, but really you can't just do that. You can't just restore glory days wakho back overnight like that. It's a huge process. Kaizer Chiefs are on the process, and they may never understand that my supporters they should support the team. They need to support the team up.
Okay, so that's it for video namhlanje, and the video is in there cool, like gitima ku 14 minutes manje, so I'm gonna cut it short. I'm not gonna kuluma kakhulu, but all I can say is that this was a well-deserved win for the Chiefs, and I didn't see Magesi beating the Chiefs literally Magesi is getting relegated, so there was no chance if it's with Magesi was going to beat Chiefs. So congratulations to Chiefs. And omunye umuntu engihappy ngayo futhi, I'm happy for umuntu. If you watch the channel uyazi ukuthi I like umuntu, I fucks with umuntu, and I'm happy ukuthi he got on the score sheet because Mchita has been through a lot of things from his own camp, from his own fans. He's been through a lot, but I'm happy with him, man. He's like slowly he's getting back for me, he's scoring goals. I'm happy for him, and this is how I want the league to be ngakhona. You know, right now you have Paris fans abanye na worried to go to Chiefs number 3, but I'm like, that's how the league is supposed to be. The big 3 teams mele zibe zithi 1 2 3, because akumake sense ukuthi Chiefs imfethi ngibona ihleli like 7. Okay, it makes me happy, ngiyajabula wara because ngibhakabhaka, but at the end of the day it's not a good look for a league yethu. It's not a good look for a league yethu ukuthi you have a big team like the Chiefs with such a following ukuthi ihleli go 7 go 8 go 9. No, noma ngathiwa mfethu idlala kabi like isizini ya better, but I need the Chiefs ku top 3. Ne Paris na, even if like we have a bad season, I need the Paris ku top 3. That's all I want, because I'm a player Paris na Chiefs, they need to get used to playing in Champions League. Not only will they make a profit by playing with Champions League, but some players now azoba an experience in Fetu for Bafana dog. So that's all I can say about the game namhlanje bafethu. It's really late, so I think upload the manje. Thank you for watching, and yeah, ngizobona ngegame ezayo. Ngiyabonga.